Mistplay support tickets can stay unanswered if the request is missing proof, missing account details, or gets auto-sorted into a lower priority queue. By the end of this, you'll know how to make your ticket easier to process, and what to do if you've already been waiting. Here's the direct answer. If your support ticket feels ignored, don't start by sending 5 new messages. That usually makes it worse because it can push your request back into the queue or create duplicate threads. Start by checking your original ticket. Open your email and make sure Mistplay didn't send an automatic reply asking for more details. A lot of users miss this because it lands in spam or promotions. If they ask for something and you didn't reply, your ticket usually stops there. Next, update the same ticket instead of opening a new one. Reply to the original thread and include the exact issue. Be specific. Write the game name, the date the problem started, what device you're using, your Mistplay username, and screenshots if points, rewards, or installs are missing. That matters because support can trace activity faster with exact timestamps. For example, don't write, "My points are gone." Write, "I played Coin Master for 35 minutes on July 3, and my units didn't update." That gives them something real to check. Now, check your account email. If you contacted support from a different email than the one linked to Mistplay, that can slow verification. Use the same email tied to your account whenever possible. If you've waited several days with no reply, use the in-app support path again. Go to Profile, then Support, and reference your original ticket number. This keeps everything in one thread and shows you're following up, not restarting. Another thing to check is app status. If Mistplay is dealing with a larger outage, reward delays, or server issues, support queues usually get backed up. In that case, your ticket may be waiting behind a lot of similar reports. If your issue is payment related, include the reward type, redemption date, and any order ID. That cuts out the first round of back and forth. Quick recap: don't spam new tickets. Reply to the original one. Add screenshots, exact game names, and exact dates. Use the same account email. Your next step is simple. Find your oldest Mistplay support email and update it with complete details today. If this helped, like the video and subscribe for more Mistplay fixes, reward tracking tips, and payout guides.